Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First up, the heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX mobile processor. This processor is a 16-core, 32-thread monster designed to handle the most demanding games and multitasking with ease. Whether you're streaming, editing, or running intensive applications alongside your gaming sessions, this CPU won't break a sweat. Its powerful architecture ensures speedy performance across the board, delivering seamless responsiveness and an excellent gaming experience. On the graphics side, ASUS equips this machine with a cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T GPU. This GPU boasts 12 GB of GDDR5 memory, enabling stunning ray-traced visuals and AI-enhanced graphics rendering. Gamers will appreciate the smooth frame rates and incredible visual fidelity, even when playing the latest AAA titles at high settings. Whether you're exploring richly detailed worlds or engaging in fast-paced multiplayer battles, the RTX 5070T ensures crisp, immersive graphics with minimal lag. The 16-inch Full HD display is another highlight, with a fast 165Hz refresh rate and a quick 3 milliseconds response time. This screen delivers ultra-smooth motion and virtually eliminates blur during intense gameplay moments. The 16:9 aspect ratio and crisp 1080p resolution keep visuals sharp and vibrant, perfect for competitive gaming and multimedia consumption. It's designed to give you a competitive edge by making fast movements look fluid and natural. ASUS also adds a distinctive flair to the laptop with a custom RGB Aura light bar along the chassis bottom. This feature lets you express your style, syncing the glow with your keyboard lighting and other compatible ROG peripherals. Whether you want a subtle glow or an eye-catching light show, this design adds a unique personality to your gaming setup. Now, let's talk about cooling, which is crucial for maintaining performance during extended gaming sessions. The Strix G16 uses an advanced thermal design that includes a vapor chamber and tri-fan technology. This system effectively dissipates heat, keeping your laptop cool and quiet under pressure. This means you can game longer without worrying about throttling or overheating, ensuring consistent performance throughout your playtime. Storage and memory are equally impressive. The laptop comes with a massive 2TB SSD that offers lightning-fast load times for games and applications, meaning less waiting and more playing. Paired with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, this system delivers ultra-smooth multitasking and rapid data handling, perfect for power users who run multiple apps or virtual machines. This combination ensures your laptop feels snappy and responsive whether gaming, streaming, or working. Connectivity is comprehensive and versatile. On the left side, you'll find two USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, 2.5G Ethernet, an audio jack, and the power input, making it easy to hook up external displays, wired networks, and audio devices. On the right, two USB-A ports complete the package for connecting your favorite peripherals, giving you a fully adaptable setup that meets all your needs. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is a top-tier machine that balances raw power with sleek design and intelligent features. It's built for gamers who demand smooth, high-performance gameplay, creators who need reliable multitasking, and anyone who wants a future-ready system in 2025. From the Ryzen 9 processor and RTX 5070T GPU to the ultra-responsive display and advanced cooling, this laptop checks all the boxes for a premium gaming experience. If you want a machine that handles everything from AAA games to creative workloads with ease while looking sharp and staying cool, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this.